Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, inspect the public grill and surrounding area to ensure safety and legality. Confirm the grill is clean, stable, and free of rust before using it. If the grate is greasy or warped, request maintenance or choose another unit. Check local park rules for hours, permit requirements, and any no alcohol or no open flame restrictions so you avoid fines. Locate 10 to 15 feet of clear space around the grill to keep children and pets safe, and note where the nearest water or extinguisher is located in case of emergency. Gather fuel and lighting tools. 1 to 2 pounds of lump charcoal or a full chimney starter gives reliable, consistent heat. Alternatively, use approved propane if the grill has a tank. Use a chimney starter for faster, chemical-free ignition, or apply 8 to 12 fluid ounces of eco-friendly fire starter under the charcoal and light safely. Once coals are ashed over, arrange them into 2 zones, one concentrated for direct high heat and one spread thin for indirect cooking, so you can sear and then finish foods without burning. When cooking, keep safety and food hygiene front and center. Oil the grate lightly, use long-handled tongs, and keep a probe thermometer to reach safe internal temperatures. 145 degrees F for fish, 160 degrees F for ground meats, 165 degrees F for poultry. Manage flare-ups by moving food to the indirect zone and trimming excess fat. After eating, fully extinguish coals by spreading them out, dousing with water, stirring until cool, and never burying hot embers. Clean the grate with the park brush, bag your trash, and leave the site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.